One of the things we have to be sure to teach is temperature. Let's talk about that for a second. When we're teaching kids about temperature, we always start with hot. You ever notice that? We always start with hot, danger. That stove is hot, don't touch. And pretty soon, the kids start to think that anything that has a little steam rising from it, like a nice warm bowl of macaroni and cheese with peas mixed in, that's hot. And little toddlers, the moment they sense any temperature change, they go, hot, hot, hot. You're like, no, no, it's warm. And they don't understand what that means. So from the very beginning, I like families to teach kids 4 different temperatures and tie in and what I call an anchor word to those temperatures. So for sure, hot is going to be danger. Okay. Danger, hot. That's hot, danger. That's your approach. But when you talk about something being warm, then you're going to talk about, oh, it's nice and warm. Like your blankie out of the dryer. Give them something they can compare it to. Oh, it's nice and warm. Then the next time you present that macaroni and cheese with peas mixed in, you can say, oh, it's nice and warm. Same thing with cold. Ooh, it's nice and cold. Like when you're out on a hot summer day and you're sipping on some lemonade, or if you're really hot, you're at the swimming pool and the water is nice and cold, but it's not too cold. Oh, it's nice and cold. Let's get in. Let them understand that this is a pleasant sensation. Finally, frozen is still a pleasant sensation, but it's different than cold. So I usually combine it with the word burr for little kids. And I say, ooh, burr, they're frozen when I'm talking about popsicles or frozen peas, etc. So they know by the smile on my face that this is going to be a fun and pleasant experience, not a scary experience.